Guys, today we're going to be making color changing crystals, and it's really easy. It's super fun. All you need is resin. I'm using Envirotex. You need your molds, of course. Crystal molds. I have a couple here. I got mine on Amazon. And of course, you will also need your solar drops from Solar Color Dust. They're amazing. They change color with the solar light, the UV, and it transforms like immediately. It's the coolest thing ever. So definitely check them out. And let's get started. So we're gonna mix our resin, mix it as directed, and then you put 10 to 15 drops of the solar drops into the resin per ounce. So 15 drops per ounce. I put mine in here, putting like 40 drops because I have about 2 ounces. Okay, mix it up really well. Okay, so after you've mixed the resin plus your drops, you're gonna take your mold. And I've never done this before, so I'm so excited to see how these turn out. Let's see how much goes down. Okay, so I hope this came out as planned. Can you guess what it is? Take a guess. I've never done this, so you guys are experiencing this with me for the first time. Do you hear that? So cool. Take out this one.